Lost 1961 Silver Cross Rolls-Royce. We restored the whole car. He hasn't seen it yet, so we're kind of excited to show it to him. So let's see what kind of reaction and see how much they love this car. They're gonna love it like I love it, that's for sure. Hey,
You're here!
I'm here. Hey. There it is.
Wow. Gorgeous. That is so fast. It's beautiful.
Well, we brought your color back to life. Brought your baby back to life. Restored it.
And that is perfect. Doug, way to go, man. That is awesome.
She was a rust bucket.
Yes, she was.
But not no more.
Right on, here we go. Perfect.
We're taking everything apart, putting it all back together.
It's quite the process.
It's quite the process.